Hey everybody, welcome back to 705 Magnet Fishing. Today is a global magnet fishing day. We got the 705 magnet fishing boat. Oh nice. Fishing lure. Been down there for a minute, that's for sure. Just a piece of scrap. Nail. Oh nice. Feels like there's some weight to it. Plate of steel. Pretty thick too. Looks like a poker anyway, for a fire maybe, or that's cool. And another piece of metal. Felt something on there for sure. Got a nail. I'm not sure what that is. And a bolt. Huh. An old wheel. Probably a wheel from a wagon or something. Felt that. Click on anyway. I think that's an old pocket knife. That used to be a buckle. Broke though. I'm pretty sure that's another pocket knife. I think so. And a red hook. it's July 16th, Saturday, Global Magnet Fishing Day. Oh, nice! Zippo. Oh, that's been down there a long time. Oh, it's real Zippo too. I got a buddy that fixes these. I know you can send them back, but my buddy's got this channel and he's real good at fixing them. He's done about 7 or 8 of mine. I think this is Miller. No, it doesn't. I'm gonna clean that up, see what that says. Another Zippo out of the water. Probably my 7th or 8th Zippo. Looks like a shelf hook. Oh, I broke it. Some kind of piece of metal anyway. I don't know what it is. If you want to get one of these 360-degree magnets, head on over to Muscular Magnetics. Use promo code STUCK12 and you will get a sweet discount on your purchase. But I'm going to find out. Just pulled that one out with the muscular magnet, and then pulled that one out with the Magnetar Terra magnets.